Hey, what's up, y'all? Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Alright, man, we'll give y'all some of these stocks I'm buying. Gonna be some dividend payers and some growth ones. We'll go on through it, man. Let's start out with ticker OXSQ, Oxford Square Capital. Pays a dividend monthly, 3.5 cents a share. I like buying this at $2.80 and under. As you can see, today it closed at $2.60. Excuse me, had a daily low of $2.58 today with a high of $2.52. But check out the 52-week low. 52-week low is $2.40. High $3.29. This gonna go and reach the $3 plus easily. Right now is your accumulation time. I like it at 280 and under. It go back 250 and under. I'm gonna buy 5 to 10 shares, at least 5 shares a day of it. But I get like 3 shares a day now. Like this one, I used to buy it and pass at 280 and under, and swing trade it when it hit about 323, 325. I scalp profits and I leave the rest in for the dividend. Market cap. Only thing about this one here, this read is the market cap. It's 181 million, but it has been paying a consistent dividend, 3.5 cents a share ever since I've been trading since 2020. Dividend yield right now is down, but it's up for the yield, 16.22%. Yield. Like I said, it pays 3.5 cents a share a month. So financial quarter 4 is good. They failed quarter 3, but man, this thing is consistent. Might get some pushback on that one, but I go in and buy it. Another one down right now is Earn, EAARN, Ellington Financial, Ellington Credit Company. EFC is Ellington Financial. That's another one, pays 13 cents a share a month. But trading right now to like probably a little above 13 bucks. We can go EARN. Right now it closed at $5.78. As you can see, the 52-week low is $5.68 with a high of $7.26. This gonna go back at the $7 mark. That's where you want to scalp profits. You want to buy this thing around the $6 range, especially if it's under the $6. This is the time to really go in and load up if like you want. Split your money up in three parts. I say spend 50% and load up, and the 2 other parts, 25. You drop it, just monitoring the dollar cost average in it just in case. They had bad earnings earlier this week. That's why it's down. But we know the REITs and the BDCs sector, I mean, they are down. They getting handled due to these interest rates. Market cap 171 million. That's the only thing with it and about it. Ever since I've been trading, it was paying 10 cents a share a month. Back in 2023, I want to say, or 2022, it lowered it to 8 cents a share a month, which what it is now. And this one to roll out with also might get some pushback. People might say about a dividend cut, but they've been paying 8 cents a share consistently. And that's Earn. USOI still one I'm buying, man. I can't. This Credit Suisse exchange traded notes. As you see, I take risks. I go for double digit yielders. Right now trading at 59.26. 52-week low is 57.47 with a high 79.25. Dividend yield 23.78%. One you gotta have dollar cost averaging to it. Do not load up. I like to buy this at $65 and under. 65 and under. How many dividend plays was that? That was 3. Let's go to SCHG. The Charles Schwab version of the S&P 500 U.S. Large Cap Growth ETF. 25.72 is where it's at. 52-week low is 21.68 with a high 29.14. Remember, they did a stock split, a 3-for-1 split. That's why it's in the $20 range now. We're going to go and look at the holdings. The top 10, like I said, they got the same thing they have in the S&P 500. Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, AVGO, Tesla, Google, Eli Lilly, and Google C, Class C. So this is the time for you to be loading up on this. Dollar cost average on in. I like this at 27 and under. This gonna go back up. I think when they did the split, it was selling around like $70-something a share. But this gonna go back up, man. This one you definitely want to take advantage of. Another one I like is DEO, Diageo, which is a liquor company. Trading at 107.63 now. 52-week low is 105.23. High is $149.44. So you got about $41 upside to it. Market cap 60 billion. PE ratio 16.74. This can come down some more too, so don't load up on it. Dividend yield 3.83%. See what the analyst got this as. Got this as a strong buy, underperform and sell. But like I say, they got the tariffs going on, so it's getting whooped. Sorry. DEO, let me go back. It went back. Anyway, I was trying to show you the profile of them. As you can see, this company offers Scotch, gin, vodka, rum, raw key, liquor, wine, tequila, Chinese spirits, kahasha, kashaka, and brandy, as well as beer, including cider and other flavored malt beverages. It provides Chinese, Canadian, Irish, American, Indian made foreign liquor whiskey, as well as flavored malts, ready to drink, and non-alcoholic products. Products include Johnny Walker, Crown Royal, J&B, Buchanan, Smirnoff, Ciroc, Kettle One, Captain Morgan, Bailey's, Don Julio, Casamigos, etc. So if you want to own a liquor stock or own a liquor company, this be your cheapest and easiest way to get in. Falls on the entry fee. That's one there. I'm gonna give you that one. I like land, Gladstone Land. Another one in buy range. Gladstone, all they products. This a REIT. All they products pay out monthly. This the quickest way for you to get in land. They rent out land to farmers and stuff. So this would be a cheap way for you to get into it and just sit back and collect your dividend. It's at 10.73 now. 52-week low is 10.27 with a high of $15.36. Analysts got this as a whole. Been having bad earnings. Like I say, man, REITs getting beat up. Dividend yield 5.25%. Got a market cap 386 million. You know, a small company, but dividend pay of 5.25 is not a double digit, but still not bad. It's higher than the S&P 500. But that one, man, and I'm gonna give you. We already know about Tesla, Amazon, and Walmart. I buy those three every day. I'm sorry, can't forget about this one. OXLC. I need to do a separate video on this one anyway. This pays 9 cents a share a month. I done did it already, but you got to get this one. Got down to 418 today. I put a buy limit there at 418 and 425. Yeah, you can see it had a good day. Went up 6.5% plus another 9.5 in the but not 9.5 cent in the aftermarket. And it's gonna go back past the $5 range. You better take advantage of this right now. At the price it's selling at. What other one? I'm gonna give you VTRS, Viatris. It's another one I like. Viatris. Healthcare company. They are a drug manufacturing company. I think they spun off from Pfizer, I want to say. But anyway, trading at 950, man. Made a new 52-week high, not last week. Well, low. 52-week low, not last week. The week before last had bad earnings. Got down to 877 and shot back up to the 920 range quick. 52-week high, $13.55. We got upside about $4 a share. $11 billion company. Market cap, average trade value is 11.57 million. Dividend yield, that's that dividend, 5.08%. Analysts got this looking like a strong buy. It's most of anything. They say Q4 on the earnings was bad, so this one you want to get into. I did the video on Flowers Foods, so y'all can watch that one. That's also one to buy, but Also look at my daily live trades, man. Give you some game on there, especially for y'all people out there, beginning traders that are lost. 10-minute video signing off. Go get your money.